Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the kitchen with little Richie. Came over and said what to me?
I want to make some ice cream.
You wanted some ice cream? And so we decided to have some fun in the kitchen today and make some ice cream. So Richie is my son's friend's son. More like a little grandkid to me too. All right? So today we are making French style ice cream and we're going to make it with
French style.
French style. You're right. So there is an American style ice cream which only involves milk and heavy cream. French style ice cream involves eggs, egg yolk. Yeah, you're right.
And the American one.
Yes, I want.
And this one.
Yes, and you use salt on both of them. Yes, you are so smart. Give me a high five. Good. So let's get started. To start, we're using 5 egg yolks, which you've already moved the egg white part. We are going to add, this is 1¼ cup of agave nectar.
It is.
So we're going to put that in there.
And
we're going to add, you go ahead and help me out. Add the salt.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. Good job. We are having fun. It is a fun. Now, most of the time it's probably easier to prepare this in advance. But let me tell you a little bit about the milk that I'm going to be using. I'm using A2 milk. Those of you who have watched my channel before knows that I prefer A2 milk due to the beta-2 casein that is in the milk. It's much better for your belly, for your gut, and people are not generally allergic to it. Right, Richard?
Yes.
Good. And then we're going to use a heavy whipping cream organic. Most times you can do 2-part heavy cream to 1-part whole milk or any type of milk that you want. So today we're probably going to do 1-on-1, right? And then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla. All right, let me get you down. Cool. So now we are going to turn that on, right?
Yes.
So here we go. We're going to remove the whisk first. Hold it for me. Thank you. You are such a great helper. And then we are going to, do you want to line it up?
Sure.
You line it up. Good job. And then twist it, and then it stays. Right now it stays. It's stable. It's good. So what we're going to do is raise this up, and then we're going to whisk this. Is that plugged in? Let's look. No. So let's plug it in. Good job. So we're going to start it. Be careful. I'm going to switch spot with you because we don't want it splattering on you. You're going to whip. And it's going to whip a little bit until it forms foam. We're going to see how it comes together.
That's 2 lights. That's
Me.
It like thumbs up, popped up.
It did? It popped up? I don't know.
Double.
It does that. 2 thumbs up. Okay. I'll whisk it for some time until we'll get whipped. In the meantime,
we're gonna have this, and we're gonna put some ingredients in.
So wait.
Add some ingredients and put it in here.
We're gonna put them here, and then we're gonna cook them over there.
Can I pour it in?
I'm shaking it. You gotta shake. Yeah, shake. Shake. And it is good. A good job. Now you can tell everybody how to make ice cream, right? You will be an expert on how to make ice cream. Okay, good. See how it's turning into custardy or custard?
Whatever you said about that.
It's becoming custard type of texture.
A fluffy texture? Yes or no?
You see, it's looking creamy, right?
Why don't you have
See, I have my own.
You don't have to put it up.
No, you don't need to put it up. He'll pick it up.
Pick it up, guys.
Fall. Hold on. Stay right there. I'm bringing the measure, the milk. We'll leave that over there. I think this looks good now. So you can come back down.
It's clean.
So you come back down. So we're going back and talking. No jumping. Careful. So after we have whisked this for several minutes, look at that. We take it off. It looks like a custard. And that's what you want.
Yes.
So we set this aside. Now, after we have shaken this and mixed it, because it is heavy whipped cream, it can stick to the bottle. So we're gonna have little Richie pour it in here.
To where?
We're gonna get about 2 cups and then pour right there. Good? You are. Maybe we could pour all of it. I think we can. So we have about 4 cups. Yeah, we have 4 cups. All of it in. Okay.
Yeah, we definitely.
And then we are going to do, that's 1 cup. You good?
It comes out so.
Put some more. There's plenty of people wanting the ice cream. So we're just gonna do 1 to 1. Yeah. We're gonna do 1 to 1.
That smells so good.
Right?
Yeah, it smells so good.
It is amazing. We are going to get on the stove top.
So what?
We're gonna turn this on, and then
We're gonna
let it simmer, whisking slowly, gradually. So you want me to show you? So we're just gonna whisk gently, and we wait. So we're gonna wait for it to not boil, not come too close to boiling, but just when it starts to get a little bit of bubbles around the edges, then it is ready. Then we can mix it. No, our custard that is already waiting.
and the eggs.
And the egg. You see how easy it is to make ice cream?
Yeah.
No more mystery to it. So we're just gonna wait. We have a bigger one. We're going to put it in. Oh, you're doing good. And so we're gonna ladle, turn it periodically, making sure that it doesn't get scalded at the bottom. Just slow. You can hold it and just turn it. We're doing great. The best student. Make ice cream when you get home and show your mom and dad how to make them. You need organic heavy cream milk. It's gonna be so cool. This is the longest part of it, really. Just getting the milk
To have bubbles on the side.
to have bubbles on the edges. All right, so look at the bubble all around. So this milk is ready, and we turn off the heat. So now what we're going to do is to use ladle to add a tiny little bit into the custard, just to warm the egg up and not to turn it into. No, I'll do this part. Don't want to turn it into a scrambled egg. So we just need to warm the egg up, the egg mixture. So you got to be careful to just do this till the mixture warms up. If you put too much, turn it into scrambled egg. And we do not want scrambled egg. And then just you add a little at a time. I'm going to add a second spoon till we're sure that it's never going to turn into a scrambled egg. So this is pretty good now. And we go ahead, we add all of it. Yes. Then you stir. Go ahead and stir. Stir it. And then we're going to add some vanilla. Oh, you like a lot of vanilla. So now this is ready. Ideally, we put it in the refrigerator to cool down. But since we want ice cream, ideally I'm supposed to tell you that you leave it in the refrigerator overnight, but you could get that done quicker by putting, we're going to put this in a nice bath to cool it down. While this is cooling down, we are going to prepare the dragon. You wanted the dragon fruit ice cream?
Oh, yes.
We are going to cut our dragon fruit and scoop it. Here we go.
The minute.
Smells good, right? We're gonna cut the dragon fruit. Look at that.
Splash.
Beautiful. Look at that. It is good, right?
Splash.
Now cut the second one. I get to handle the knife. They adore, right? And then we're gonna scoop it out. Sure. Can I help? Yes. So now this is dragon fruit that we're going to use to make our ice cream. Our French vanilla custard has cooled down enough in this ice bath for us to make ice cream. So we are going to pour this. I'm gonna leave that there. and we'll pour. This ice cream maker can only make about, can make about 2 quarts, 2.5 quarts at a time. We poured our ice cream in here. This is where you can decide what ice cream you want to make. If you wanted cookies and cream, this is the time when you would chop up some of your either homemade, cookies and decide to use them here. So we power this on, and then we press start. It's already on ice cream, and it will just churn.
Yeah, see?
It churn up. You see, it starts to churn, and in less than 30 minutes, we will have ice cream. But before that, we are going to add that. So I'm going to pause it, and then I'm just going to incorporate all this together.
That was satisfying
From
sound.
scratch, and then we continue. We will come back for the taste test, right? You can't wait, right? Give me a high five. Ah, we're close to getting the ice cream.
Yeah.
All right. It is ready, right? Give me a high five. Are we ready to eat this ice cream?
Yes.
Yes, let's this going. This is it. So he's been waiting. He's been so patient. And this is the moment that he
It's ready for
has waited for, and we're going to try it. So you need to dish the ice cream. You don't scoop the ice cream. It's actually, it says dish. So this is a disher. So this is a soft ice cream.
And we use the dragon.
And you can see all that dragon fruit right in there. Okay, so do you want some raspberry and blueberry on it? Yes, you do the work.
Salt Bay.
Okay. You go ahead and do the first tasting.
Oh.
You have got to show us and tell us how
First
good.
with the blueberry.
Okay. How it. Good job.
Now I need some with the raspberry.
You want a bigger scoop? Now my turn, right? Okay. So I get scoop. Good job. Keep eating with the fruit. See, and I am going to take and eat mine with the fruit too. He is being very healthy. So we use A2 milk. We use organic,
Look this.
and we added fresh fruits, dragon fruit, and he is adding fresh raspberry and blueberry. Now my turn. This is so good, so creamy, so fresh. And I would like for you guys to try this all at home. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke and little Richie saying thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.